Hi everyone, here is my term project for 15112 at Carnegie Mellon University. This is a chemistry app that allows you to enter a molecular formula and it will show the 3D structure of that molecule. So let's try an example. Xenon fluoride. And now let's see how this structure is created. So first we have a periodic class that stores all the information of the periodic table, including the symbols of the elements, the atomic number, the valence electrons, etc. I created multiple dictionaries that match each symbol of the element to its corresponding properties. And next we determine the structure of the molecular formula. Since for each formula we can have multiple possibilities, we need to determine whether each of those is legal or not. By legal, I mean that it has to fulfill the chemistry principles. So we calculate the number of the bonds, the number of lone electron pairs, and we see whether it exceeds octet rule or not. And eventually we will have one single possible structure resulted. Then we calculate the steric number, and the steric number will tell us which kind of hybridization this molecule is. After we get the hybridization, we can actually draw the molecules. Here I created different classes that draws different kinds of hybridization. Each atom is represented by a sphere and each bond is represented by a cylinder. The distance between the spheres are determined by the bond length, and the shape of the molecule is determined by the angles of the geometry here. And let's see more examples. Here is a tetrahedral. And we can also have cyanide acid, which has a triple bond right here. And we can see how each atom has different color because I matches each element to a unique color. And also the size of the spheres are different because they are determined by the radius of the atom. We can also choose to show a label of it. And as we move our mouse over them, we can see that there is a periodic table shown up at the right corner, which tells us the basic information of that element. The program also works when the molecule has lone electron pairs, as the case of this sp3d structure with one lone pair. If we want to know how we come up with this structure, we can choose to show tutorial, which basically tells you step by step of how to calculate the structure, and it will also tell you whether the structure is stable by calculating its formal charge. And we can also choose to show instructions if we are not sure which kind of input we should put here. And if unfortunately we put in something that does not really exist, it will just tell us it's an illegal input and we have to try again. So let's try again. And here it is. We can also choose to pause it. And if you want to know the examples of different kinds of hybridizations, there are options down here. So you can choose to show the linear, show SP, the SP2, and the tutorial part also works for this as well, and you can choose to show labels as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this program is helpful to you.